It's because I went into the water.
Yeah.
Without anybody noticing.
Oh no, you did not go without nobody noticing. You had an adult with you at all times.
No, I didn't. You weren't looking either.
How would you know if nobody noticed?
I went with her.
Yeah, the first time she went with me. The first time she went with me, but the second time...
You went with your dad and your brother.
Yeah,
Gotta
I
add
watched The Lion King.
Yep. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when the song Spirits was in the movie.
Oh, that was your favorite part? Yeah, I love that's got to be one of my new favorite songs on the Lion King soundtrack.
Yeah, that's my first favorite one.
All right. So we'll show them what we did for the Lion King.
Gavin.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Gavin.
Hey cheeks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the movies to see the Lion King. Hey cheeks, today we're at the movie and we're gonna get our tickets and let's go in. Here's our tickets.
You excited?
Yeah. We're gonna grab the snacks now, okay?
Do you know what you're gonna get?
Popcorn, candy, drink,
Okay.
and I guess that's it.
Okay.
I mean, 2 Coors Lights.
Say it again. You're gonna try to get 2 Coors Lights?
That's stupid baseball. He took like 5 hours in that.
Oh my God. When me and Jamie were at the Red Sox game, some guy came up to me, he's like, "Are you the 2 for the skyboxes?"
You should have said yeah.
Right? And I was like, I just didn't know what to say to him. I didn't want to lie to him. But I was like, no, but I'll take the seats. He's like, I'm waiting on the guys. I'm waiting on a father and son pair who won skyboxes.
It's a good thing he did like it.
Oh, he found it.
Well, at least you were honest. What you gonna get?
Candy.
That's it? No popcorn, no drink?
I don't like popcorn.
I want popcorn.
That's such a lie.
I want
Of
popcorn.
course you're gonna get popcorn.
We get popcorn. We're getting a slushie.
Me too. I'm gonna get slushy.
Want to get a slushie? We got an icy one.
I think the movie's gonna be great, and we already got our snacks, so let's go in.
All right, let's go.
Bye.
Babe, let's go.
Let's give me
Time to head in.
my black popcorn, Daddy.
This is our first time coming to this movie theater. Do you like it?
Yes.
I feel like we're walking into the Starship or whatever.
So, did you win a spot on the leaderboard? Click the brag button to share your score with friends. Missed out on the action? Download the
Yeah, we
new
got
arcade
reserved.
app and get to your seat early next time to play.
Yeah. Well, no.
Which one's our seat?
Ours is over here.
Check the popcorn.
Here we are.
Check the popcorn.
Oh, be careful, don't spill. Is it comfy? Perfect. That's pretty cool. That's as far as it goes. Chachi, you could recline if you want to. You could recline if you want to. There's blue buttons right there. Do you want to or no? You don't have to. No? You don't like it? That's when you say little people problems, right, Chachi?
Yeah, little people problems.
I mean, it's a good theater. It's comfortable, right, Daniela?
Yeah.
What do you think about the screen? Do you like the quality?
Yes.
Yeah. It's really nice lighting, right? Yeah. It's a good theater. We'll come back, definitely? All
Yeah.
right. So we just finished seeing The Lion King. Did you like it?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
That's it? That's all you have to say?
What?
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when Simba and Nala were running to the Circle of Life, and the song that was playing while that happened, Spirit.
Oh, the Spirit song? When they started playing Spirit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that part too. That sounds really good.
The movie was great, just like the original cartoon one, but they did it so the eyes look real.
There were more funny parts though, right, Chuck? Like,
Yeah.
Camille, there were more funny parts.
And there was not one new part. Spirit.
Spirit was the new part too.
Yeah, Spirit.
Davey, what was your favorite part?
The lions.
You're so ridiculous.
Yeah. I couldn't take you with us.
So we got a lot of fun, exciting things to do this summer, right? That we're gonna take them with us on?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we don't want to spoil anything, so we're gonna make it a surprise, right?
Yeah.
One vlog at a time.
Yeah.
All right, so today we're at the beach. You jumped in. We got a lot more cool things going on, right?
Yeah.
No.
Turn the camera around.
No. Uh-uh.
Gavin? Gavin doesn't like the water at all.
So I want to
Right? You didn't like it?
Jeez, I don't know what your toes are doing.
Dad.
Hey, Gabriel.
Thank you, Gabe.
Dad. Mommy, where's Dad?
Gabriel?
He's gonna crack us.
What's up? Follow me on Instagram. 413 Gabe Marquez. There's an underscore somewhere in there.
Give me that Gatorade.com.
And Grandma can do that.
Hey, give me that Gatorade so I can drink.
Want to get drink?
Yeah.
Well worth the trip.
More people are coming.
Stop doing that to me.
They're right there, look at. They're 2 hours away. You think they're here already?
Stop.
I don't know where they are. He's joking. But go ahead.
They were coming?
Yeah, people are coming. What do you expect? Gabe?
More people on their way?
Yeah, more people are on their way.
Gavin, you've got sand on your face.
There's a way. There's one way. Underwater breathing device. While we were in the water the next time, we were swimming and we were taking waves, and I was holding on to my mom said she told me to hold my breath and hold her hand at the same time, and said she let go, and I started swimming away.
The water dragged me like 20. Well, the wave dragged me like 20 feet, right, Daniela?
Yeah, and also she dragged me she dragged all the way there, all the way over there, like almost to the beginning, and he did it again, and she's still in the same place.
It's nice though. The water's nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You having fun? You having fun, mi amor? You having fun, mi vida? Stay where I can see you.
You wanna get in? Let's go in. Yeah, come on.
Gavin, come on. Let's go, come on. Are you running for the hills? Is it scary? It's scary. Oh, he hightailed it. He hightailed it.
Come on, it's not that bad.
It's not that scary. No, he doesn't like it.
He does not like it.
He does not like it at all. Is it cold?
Kind of.
A little? Did you get used to it?
Let's see what you can stand in it. Thank God. Like, what the frick is that?
Watch him turn around. Watch him turn around. It's okay. It's water, baby. It's water. It's not that cold.
Get used to it.
He's like, be careful, there's a wave. Devin! You don't like it?
Like it, keep going in.
I know. He'll get used to it. He just has to see that we don't freak out. It's whenever the wave comes in.
I know, she's like, I like it.
in the beach. Water is cold.
Manny and Omari are coming with Davey. Hey guys! This is Diamani, and Omari. You guys excited?
Yeah.
You guys ready to have fun?
He likes it, that's fun.
What? You like it now? Run, run, run! How was the water, Omari? It was good?
Let it go. I want to go back into the water.
Yeah, we're going back.
You're going back in, don't worry.
Yeah.
Look at a cool tent. Isn't that a cool tent?
Give us some to the meter.
Hey, Ruby.
You know you gotta put. Okay, you know TV makes you gain 10 pounds, so you gotta.
No. You look beautiful.
I know, I do.
Oh, that was like. Okay.
You look beautiful. Are you liking the beach so far?
Yeah.
Yeah?
From here.
From here?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
She's been here 2 minutes.
Hi, Mari.
Hi, ¿me estás grabando? ¿Me estás
¿Llegaste a la playa?
Al
Don't
fin
be
llegué
late.
a la playa después de 3 horas que no llegaba. Pero al fin llegamos, estoy aquí.
Exactly.
Nana, mira lo que hizo este nene.
Tío,
¿Qué hizo?
Corazón.
¿qué vas a decir? Estás en el vlog.
Bueno, ya tú sabes, esto ha sido duro para llegar acá, esto ha sido una travesía bien fuerte. Imagínate cómo ya tengo los cabellos para de punta, parezco un cocotiel. Mira, me recibieron con una buena frita, una Pepsi. Tú sabes, bien chévere.
Una frita,
Me cuida. Boricua, para que tú lo sepas y de ya
Oye,
mucho mejor.
Hay una piragua aquí si la quiero, un guarapillo, pero Pepsi no hay.
Toma, David.
Un guarapillo sí, pero Pepsi no hay.
Toma, David.
Dame, mami.
Ponlo por ahí.
Rudy? Sorry. Daniela? You having snacks? It's snack time?
You okay?
That's one thing I press on everybody, whatever we bring in, we take out, okay?
We will.
Lo que entramos, salimos.
Yeah, we gotta clean.
You gotta keep it clean.
We gotta keep it clean.
Aquí está uno para dormir.
Es bueno para dormir aquí en la playa. A nosotros nos encanta dormir.
It's so funny. It's so funny. He's been looking at me all day. He's started laughing.
We're gonna close the vlog here. So bye.
Are you gonna say see you next time at least?
See you next time.
Hope you guys had a great time. Bye, Chiquis.